Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And today,
Friends, hello mga friends. Naalala ko yung guest. Bago na ko ang guest, patay ko talikod lang. What is your name?
I am Georgy but you can call me George. My real name is Georgina Isabel Angkut Taripas.
Okay, so nagtanaw ka video kanina?
What?
Nagtanaw ka video kanina?
Yes?
Kasabot na siya. Unsa may mong gitanaw?
I didn't remember it.
Did you watch movie?
Yeah, I watched movie.
Which movie did you watch? About the...
What movie did you watch? Do you remember or not?
video about?
I watched a video about Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm,
And
okay.
everything.
Okay. So, can you tell us what is thunderstorm?
It makes when it's cloudy and then the clouds are gray and then the water flow and give some water to the like this like that.
What is that? Hurricane?
Yes.
Okay.
And then it's like just
Oh.
and then it swirl up and then go up and then
Up until the rooftop.
no, not that into the cloud and then
What?
and
It will rain.
and then the clouds will go away
Oh.
in along in here in along in here.
Oh. Okay. Then
This
after.
one is the cloud and this one is the thunderstorm.
Oh. So what happened to the people?
And then the storm goes to the Philippines and then it's stuck here and then like this it goes everywhere and then more thunders.
What is the Philippines?
The Philippines, God, the Philippines.
What is the Philippines? Is it a country?
Yes. That it's where the people live.
Oh, where's the people live? Mga Filipinos.
Yes.
Okay, are you a Filipino?
Yes.
What grade are you in?
What's great?
Are you a kindergarten?
What is kindergarten?
Do you know how to read? Do you know how to read?
What is kindergarten?
Can you teach us phonics?
Phonics? What's
Yep.
phonics?
Like the one you practice reading. Sit down. Come on. Okay.
Tiwa.
Diwa. It's not Diwa. That's Joe. Joe. Mountain Joe.
Mountain Dew.
Oh, it's not Diwa. Okay. How will you read? C. A.
Cat.
Cat. Very good. How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
Are you or you want to be what do you want?
What?
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a fighter, a police.
Fighter. What's fighter? You want a fighter in the street?
Fighter.
Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Oh, why do you like? Why do you like
Why are you
a
guys laughing at?
firefighter?
And I'm a firefighter and I'm police and this is what I want to be. A fighter.
Firefighter.
A firefighter.
Fighter.
A firefighter.
And a boxer.
I'm paint.
Artist.
I'm artist.
Yes.
I'm drawing.
No.
I'm drawer.
Drawer.
Then a drawer.
No. An artist.
Do you want to
That
be
is
artist
already.
like what? Like mama?
Yes, I want to be like this.
Like this? What is that? Painting? Painting. Okay. So that's it.
I
Say
want to color red.
say goodbye to your subscribers. Go.
Bye, subscribers.
Oh, sana. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you.
No.
No, stop na.
Tell them
Tomorrow na
that
po.
you're hungry.
Tell them that you're hungry. Look at
I'm
this.
hungry.
Are you hungry with this tummy? Huh? Huh? Okay. Thank you.
Hey, no.
Wait na, ugma na.